Check out this beautiful dryer, the EconoRed 3. This is a used dryer we just took in on trade-in. It was purchased on December 2022 and traded in January 2024. So 2 years old, or actually 25 months. Maintained beautifully. Looks like a demo unit model. You see it was running a clean shop. The air filters all nice and clean. The belt, no rips, no tears. The edging is nice and clean. Even the top of the dryer, where usually you would have, a lot of marring and anything else, just got a little scratches here or there, but outside of that, we'll take a look here at our air vent. See down inside, even here, nice and clean. This dryer is pristine. It is rated at 475 plastisol prints or 150 water-based or discharge. Has forced air on top. Has an easy adjustable crank here that you can use to raise and lower the panel. Just turn the crank and raise and lower. Digital temperature, digital belt speed, diagnostic lights for your heaters, your relay, your control. You've got a master main disconnect. Here, this dryer will not last long. We've got it in stock. You can pick it up or shipping nationwide. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like or share, and thanks for watching.